Hi friend, once again we'll continuation of first session, that is preparations of alcohol. This session is really very important just because next two ये और उसके बाद ये जो दो रिएक्शन प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं उसमें से एक 110% going to ask in your board examination. Every alternated year this question is asked. So this session is really very important. Please focus. First is from alkene and first reaction is by acid catalysis reaction. Means alkene is our starting material and we end with alcohol, but reaction entitled by acid catalysis reaction. First we'll discuss the key reaction. That is, we'll start with the propene, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus H2O H plus, just because name itself suggests by acid catalysis reaction. Here in case H plus behaves as a catalyst, and what we get CH3 CHOH CH3. मीन्स देखने में ये रिएक्शंस बहुत इजी लग रहा है सर, सिंपल है. दिस फॉलोज मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल, दैट इज H plus and OH minus, and OH goes to less proton containing species and H goes to here. We get the answer. Yes, it's true, it's follow Markovnikov rule, but mechanism is really very important. Whenever this question asks, you have to show this step by step mechanism. And step number 1 mechanism, first is protonation. So first step, when H2O treated with H plus is converted into H3O plus. Now this is called counter ion. ये अटैक करेगा हमारे रिएक्टेंट के ऊपर, मीन्स प्रोपीन के ऊपर. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2 प्लस H3O प्लस. अब H3O प्लस बना कैसे है, H2O and H प्लस. सो फर्स्ट H प्लस गोज टू टर्मिनल and we get CH3 CH plus CH3, that is carbocation. So at the end of first step, that is protonation, we get carbocation. Step number 2, attack of nucleophile. So end of this first reaction, that is in carbocation, अब nucleophile इसके ऊपर अटैक करेगा. So CH3 CH plus CH3 OH2. So OH2 attack on this positive charge carbon and we get CH3 CH OH2. Obviously oxygen having 3 valencies, this is highly unstable. So next step, out of this 2 proton 1 proton is removed. So step number 3 name itself suggests, that is deprotonation. Step 2 के end में हमें जो unstable O के ऊपर positive charge मिला है, due to this 1 proton is removed from here. So that is CH3 CH OH. After this reaction H2O, 1H goes to H2O and we get H3O plus, and at the end we get secondary alcohol. So likewise this full mechanism you have to show, and propene is converted into corresponding alcohol. Once again we recap this reaction. First from alkene by acid catalysis reaction mechanism, propene CH3 CH double bond CH2 H2O H plus, we get secondary alcohol. How can we get secondary alcohol? Let's start with the mechanism. First step, protonation. That is H2O plus H plus gives H3O plus. Now this H3O plus is counter ion, attack on our propene and we get stable carbocation. Second step, attack of nucleophile. So on carbocation, nucleophile is attacked. That is CH3 CH CH3, nucleophile यहाँ पे attack करेगा. You get CH3 CHO H2 CH3. Last is deprotonation. Deprotonation means CH3 CHOH CH3 plus H2O gives CH3 CHOH CH3, that is secondary alcohol, and H3O plus is byproduct. So this reaction is really very important. Next reaction, that is hydroboration oxidation, is also really very important. Let's start with the second one. So by hydroboration oxidation, once again we start with the key reaction. 3 mole of propene in the presence of BH3 twice. This BH3 is nothing but B2H6. Hope you remember B2H6 is nothing but diborane. So BH3 twice in the presence of OH minus H2O2, we get 3 mole of CH3 CH2 CH2OH, that is nothing but primary alcohol, and H3BO3, that is hydroboric acid, is your byproduct. By looking at this key reaction, we don't get any idea how can we get this 3 alcohol. So let's focus on mechanism. Mechanism is really very important. First step, in key reaction we are using 3 mole of propene. So out of this 3 mole of propene, let's start with the 1 mole of propene when treated with BH3 two times, means BH3 two times, I'll write it down H, BH2, BH3. Once again, H and BH2 is nothing but BH3, 1 mole, and another mole BH3. So out of this 2 mole of BH3, 1 mole of BH3 is directly eliminated. Now this H goes to center carbon, that is less proton containing species, and BH2 goes to terminal, that is CH2. And what we get at the end of first reaction, we get CH3, CH2, CH2, BH2. पहला स्टेप फिर से एक बार चेक कर लीजिए. We'll start with the propene plus H, BH2, BH3. This BH3 is removed during this reaction. Now H goes to center carbon. Let's put it as number 1, 2 and 3. कार्बन नंबर 2 के साथ H चला जाएगा, कार्बन नंबर 1 के साथ BH2 चला जाएगा. We get CH3, CH2, CH2, BH2. Now in this we have to add second mole of propane. Means step by step एक एक करके propane को add करना है. CH3, CH2, CH2, BH and H. End of the first product. One more mole of propane, that is CH3, CH double bond, CH2. H सेंटर कार्बन के पास चला जाएगा, BH टर्मिनल के पास चला जाएगा. एट द एंड ऑफ सेकेंड रिएक्शन हमें क्या मिलेगा? CH3, CH2, CH2B and H. This H goes to second carbon, means CH2, CH2, CH3. So that is your second step. Now in second step you have to add third mole of propane. In short, all the 3 proton of boron we have to substitute by means of this propane. So CH3, CH2, CH2, BH, this H goes to less proton containing carbon and B goes to the terminal one. So what is the end of this third product? Third step के बाद हमें end कहाँ पे मिलेगा? We get this just like this structure. This structure is look like a fan-like structure. Center पे आपका boron है and boron is associated with CH2, CH2, CH3 and it's look like a 3 wings. CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Next step, oxidation in the presence of H2O2. This is just for your knowledge. H2O2 is nothing but O and H2O. तो सबसे पहले स्टेप में O ऐड होगा एंड उसके बाद सेकेंड स्टेप में H2O मीन्स हाइड्रोलिसिस होगा. तो व्हेन दिस स्पीशीज अंडरगोज ऑक्सीडेशन, बोरॉन एंड कार्बन के बीच में ऑक्सीजन फ्यूज्ड हो जाएगा आफ्टर ऑक्सीडेशन. सो व्हाट वी गेट BO CH2 CH2 CH3, BO CH2 CH2 CH3, BO CH2 CH2 CH3. That is oxidation of this product. So in H2O2, O is already used. Next step is H2O, that is hydrolysis. So now this species undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is nothing but H plus plus OH minus. So here in case you have to add OH, H, H, OH, H, OH. That is your hydrolysis. After hydrolysis, you get your product, that is 3 mole of CH3, CH2, CH2H. Sir, कैसे मिला? CH3, CH2, CH2OH, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. And what is left in center part? BOH, BOH, BOH. That is nothing but H3BO3. So this is all about your hydroboration oxidation. Once again, we quick recap of this hydroboration oxidation. Key reaction: 3 mole of CH3, CH double bond CH2, B2H6, we get primary alcohol. And boric acid is your byproduct. First step, CH3, CH double bond CH2, H, BH2, BH3. H goes to carbon number 2, BH2 goes to terminal, we get CH3, CH2, CH2, BH2. In this we have to add second mole of propene. So BH goes to terminal, H goes to second carbon, we get CH3, CH2, CH2, BH, means till here. Then ulta, CH2, CH2, CH3. Then in this we have to add third mole of propane, and after addition of third mole of propane, we look like a fan-like structure: B, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now this undergoes oxidation. So oxidation करने पे B and C के बीच में ऑक्सीजन फ्यूज्ड हो जाएगा. That is BO CH2 CH2 CH3, BO CH2 CH2 CH3, BO CH2 CH2 CH3. Then hydrolysis HOH. HOH, HOH. What is left in this side? 3 mole of CH2, CH2, CH2OH, and H3BO3 is your byproduct. In short, ये जो 2 mechanism हमने किया उसका conclusion क्या है सर? तो in short, when propane undergoes H2O H plus means acid catalysis reaction, which follows Markovnikov rule, so we get secondary alcohol. While in case if we are using B2H6, that is diaborane in the presence of H2O2, we get primary alcohol. That is एंटी मार्कोनिकोव रूल. अभी स्कूल में आपको परेशान करने के लिए क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं, गिव द मैकेनिज्म व्हेन प्रोपीन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्रोपेन 1-ol. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन. दूसरा क्वेश्चन, give the detailed discussion of mechanism while propene is converted into secondary alcohol or propane 2-ol. तो आपको लिखना है acid catalysis reaction. और else directly भी पूछ सकते हैं write a short note on acid catalysis reaction, और directly भी पूछ सकते हैं write a short note on hydroboration oxidation. Next we'll start with this Grignard reaction. Grignard reaction we did in chapter 10 also. Now once again we have to discuss this Grignard reaction. First reaction, HCHO when treated with CH3-MgBr. Hope you are aware about it, students, that CH3-MgBr is widely known as Grignard reaction. इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए थोड़ा सा डिटेल डिस्कशन करते हैं. हाउ कैन वी राइट HCHO? सिंपल HCOH. इसी हिसाब से लिखिएगा, इजी हो जाएगा आपके लिए. CH3-MgBr. Now always remember C goes to C, means this CH3 goes to center carbon of carbonyl. कार्बोनिल के कार्बन के पास ऑलवेज C जाएगा एंड MgBr ऑलवेज गोज टू दिस O. अगर आपने अच्छे से ध्यान रख लिया तो Grignard इज रियली वेरी इजी. सो CH3 goes to here. What is left in this side? CH3, CH2, O, MgBr. Next step is simple hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is nothing but HNOH. We get CH3, CH2OH and MgOHBr. Means primary alcohol. Second Grignard reaction, CH3CHO plus CH3MgBr. सो वंस अगेन CH3CHO को ऊपर जिस हिसाब से बताया ऐसे ही आप लिखोगे CH3 C double bond O and H and CH3MgBr. Now the CH3 goes to this carbon and MgBr goes to this oxygen. What is left in this side? CH3 CH CH3 O MgBr. Next step is hydrolysis, HOH. You get CH3 CHOH CH3 and MgOHBr, means we get secondary alcohol. In third case we have CH3 CO CH3 plus CH3 MgBr. So CH3 CO CH3, that is nothing but ketone, plus CH3 MgBr. Once again carbon goes to carbon, CH3 goes to this carbon, MgBr goes to this oxygen. We have CH3 C CH3 CH3 O MgBr. Next hydrolysis, HOH. That is hydrolysis, we get C, CH3, CH3, CH3OH plus MgOHBr, means we get tertiary alcohol. Once again we take a quick recap of this Grignard reaction. First reaction, HCHO plus CH3MgBr. H, C double bond O, H, CH3MgBr. C goes to C, methyl carbon के साथ, MgBr oxygen के साथ, CH3, CH2O, MgBr. Then hydrolysis H and OH. CH3 CH2OH plus MgOHBr, that is primary alcohol. CH3 CHO plus CH3 MgBr, once again we'll write it like this: carbon goes to carbon, MgBr goes to this oxygen, CH3 CHOH CH3, then hydrolysis you get CH3 CHOH CH3, secondary alcohol. Next is CH3 CO CH3 CH3 MgBr. This C CO CH3, carbon goes to carbon, MgBr goes to this oxygen. What is left in this side? We have CH3 C CH3 CH3 O MgBr. Hydrolysis, we get tertiary alcohol. In short, what is the conclusion of this Grignard reaction? If you want to prepare a primary alcohol, then Grignard reagent को HCHO के साथ react करवा लीजिए, you get primary alcohol. If you want secondary alcohol, तो Grignard reagent को CH3CHO के साथ treatment करवा लीजिए, you get secondary alcohol. और जो अगर आपको टर्शरी अल्कोहल चाहिए तो Grignard reagent को एसीटोन के साथ ट्रीटमेंट करवा लो, यू गेट टर्शरी अल्कोहल. सो दिस विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू फॉर योर कन्वर्जन्स ऑल्सो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व सच काइंड ऑफ कन्वर्जन्स. अगर आपको प्राइमरी अल्कोहल बनाना है तो Grignard reagent को इसके साथ ट्रीट कर लीजिए. सेकेंडरी बनाना है तो एसिटाल्डिहाइड के साथ एंड टर्शरी बनाना है एसीटोन के साथ. If you thoroughly go through it, then you can solve this following Grignard reactions also. So this is in your homework. आप लोग ये खुद से ट्राई कीजिएगा, आपको पता चला है कि नहीं पता चला है. Let's focus. In next session, we'll start with preparations of phenol. That is really very most important for your board examination concern. So this is all about your today's session. This session is really very important for your board. Minimum 2 बार ये लिख के ही प्रैक्टिस करना है. Thank you so much.